flood warning, Deer Creek burn scar. Flash flood warning for Deer Creek burn scar asterisk until 7:30 p.m. MDT asterisk at 5:26 p.m. MDT. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Deer Creek burn scar. Between 0.1 and 0.4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.8 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Deer Creek burn scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Asterisk some locations that will experience flash flooding include Deer Creek burn scar and portions of State Highway 46. This includes the following streams and drainages: West Paradox Creek, Ice Lake Creek, and La Salle Creek. Precautionary/preparedness actions. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in place. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding off creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Hey Steve, you're good with computers. I'm going to order this and have it delivered tonight, but look, see, they won't let me.
Okay, you're not having a computer problem. You're having a problem with the concept of time. And I cannot help you with that.
This is a nightmare. What's going on? Bobby, are you okay? Did you get hacked? Did somebody steal your identity?
Calm down. He said no, she could never. She has to buy Isabella a last-minute gift.
Is this what you're thinking? Yeah, it's one of those plug-in slideshow frames. I'm going to put pictures of the both of us in it. Dude, what? So you're getting her an iPhone. But it can't make calls or look things up and has to be plugged into a wall. Oh, you're a lot of help.